Inside an oil company, the journey of making cooking oil starts long before the product reaches the shelves, beginning right at the point where raw seeds first arrive at the factory. These seeds, which may be soybean, sunflower, canola, mustard, or any other oil-bearing crop, are unloaded and taken through large cleaning machines. Here, powerful blowers, magnets, and vibrating screens carefully remove dust, stones, broken pieces, and any unwanted material. This thorough cleaning is extremely important because even a small impurity can affect the quality of the oil produced later. Once the seeds are completely cleaned, they are transferred through conveyors to a section where they may be conditioned by heating or drying, depending on the type of seed. This conditioning softens the seeds and makes the oil extraction more efficient. After this, the seeds travel toward massive expeller or crusher machines. As they enter these machines, the seeds are crushed under immense mechanical pressure. The crushing generates heat, and the oil slowly begins to flow out through small openings while the leftover solid part, known as oil cake, is pushed out from the other side. At this stage, the oil collected is raw and dark, carrying natural odors, flavors, and impurities. In large industrial plants, the process does not stop with expeller oil. To extract the maximum amount of oil left inside the oil cake, the material is sent to a solvent extraction system. Inside huge sealed chambers, the crushed material is mixed with a solvent, usually food-grade hexane. This solvent dissolves the remaining oil, pulling it out of the oil cake. The mixture of oil and solvent is then heated so the solvent evaporates and separates, leaving behind additional raw oil. The evaporated solvent is captured, cooled, and reused repeatedly, making the process highly efficient. The defatted meal left after solvent extraction is sent for animal feed or other uses. The raw oil collected from both expelling and solvent extraction is then pumped to the refinery section of the factory. Refining is a delicate, multi-stage process designed to remove gums, odors, colors, acidity, and any impurities to make the oil safe and pleasant to consume. The first stage involves mixing the raw oil with water or special agents to separate gummy substances that naturally occur in seeds. These gums are removed, and the oil becomes clearer. It is then treated with a mild caustic solution to neutralize free fatty acids that cause bitterness or spoilage. This step stabilizes the oil and makes it suitable for long storage. Next, the oil is pulled through a bleaching system. Here, the oil is heated and mixed with highly absorbent bleaching earth or clay. This clay attracts and holds on to color, pigments, tiny impurities, and traces of oxidation products. The mixture is then filtered, leaving the oil much lighter in color and significantly cleaner. But the oil still has one more major transformation to undergo: deodorization. During deodorization, the oil enters a tall stainless steel tower where high-temperature steam is passed through it under vacuum conditions. This steam strips away any strong or unpleasant odors and flavors, giving the oil its familiar neutral smell and taste. Once deodorized, the oil is considered fully refined and ready for consumption. It is cooled and sent through final polishing filters to catch the tiniest remaining particles. Then it is pumped to large storage tanks from where it is directed into automatic filling machines. These machines fill the oil into bottles, pouches, cans, or drums with precision and speed, ensuring each pack is sealed properly to keep the oil fresh. After packaging, each batch goes through strict quality checks, confirming that the oil meets all safety and purity standards. Only after passing these tests is the cooking oil labeled, boxed, and transported to distributors and markets, eventually reaching homes where it becomes part of daily cooking.